Okay, now for week 3, we're going to add in a curl up. So this is an exercise for our rectus abdominis, for our six-pack muscles. It's great to get to work on those. So what we're going to do now, week 3, every time you sit up from a laying position, so when you get out of bed in the morning, for instance, I want you to do a curl up. So what we're going to do is lay on our back. We're going to engage our rectus abdominis muscles here. And our rectus abdominis brings our rib cage and our pelvis closer together. So when we do this curl up exercise, we're going to squeeze these two bits together, which brings my pelvis and my ribs as close as I can together. So that's a full curl up there. That's as close as they can possibly get, and that's really firm in there. Okay, so whenever you get up from a laying position, I want you to do your curl up, and then you can put your elbows down and push yourselves up. Okay, for getting out of bed, you can then spin your legs around and then get out of bed like so. But curl up exercise, we're going to add this on to the squat to bench, the walking lunge, and now we're going to do the curl up also. So just to go through the exercise again, laying on my back, I'm going to squeeze my stomach and my hips together as far as I possibly can. There we go. I can put my elbows down now and push myself up. So that's week 3, guys. Now we're working on our legs, we're working on our gluteal muscles, and now we're working on our six-pack, on our abdominal muscles.